Hello everyone, today I'm doing a nature walk in Kuala Lumpur forest. This is a beautiful place. I want to share this with you. This is amazing. Just the sounds that I'm getting out of this is out of this world. Take a look at this. Yeah, I'll be going up that tower. Look at that walk. Oh yeah. I don't know if you could hear that. Let's start the walk. This canopy walk. Hello, how are you? Here we go. Now this is a nice little walk. I'm not going to tire you guys out. I'm just going to go ahead and pause it and wait till I get to the top. But first, I want to take a look at what this is. Remark orchid. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay. This must be an orchid here. Beautiful plantation. I don't see any orchids. Let's take a look. Beautiful. Wow. All right, I'm going up. This would be a great place to buy tea. Look, I was definitely. You got tea? Tea? No tea? Water? Okay, tea, yeah, tea. You have tea? Okay. So let me have one tea.
This is.
Do you have a little bag? Oh, look at that. This is delicious. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. All right, let's do this. Hello, how are you? Thank you. Here we go. Let's go up this nice stairs, across the bridge. And here we are. Wow, this is exhilarating. Let me just take a sip of this tea. Get my energy going, my energy flow. Gotta stay hydrated. 7 o'clock in the morning, it was 80 degrees in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. Tea is delicious. Hello, how are you? This is like walking zip line. Sways a little bit. All right. Let's take a quick look here. Beautiful. Ah, look at that tree over there. That is a blackbird nesting tree. I used to have one once upon a time. Waja, waja. Wow. Here we go. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I can nest there too. I love Mother Nature. Oh, look at that. Gotta go even higher. Thank God for my tea. All right. Next level up. Beautiful. All right. Guess that's the last one. Maybe. No, there's still more going on out there. This is beautiful. Okay, let's do this. All right, gotta go up some more. Hang in there, people. Stay with me. Today's journey is gonna be fun, brought to you by Mother Nature. Wow, look at this. We're heading the canopy. A few more. I love the way this bridge moves. Well, this is the end of the journey for today. This beautiful jungle that it's in the middle of Kuala Lumpur, it's really amazing. I didn't see any animals, but there's definitely a lot of bugs and a lot of sounds, weird sounds that I never heard before. Listen to this. They're out there, coming to get me. Okay, so tomorrow is going to be another great day in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I love this country, and this country loves me. Take care. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and pass it around. Help me support the channel. Thank you.